I have been using West Bend products for a while, and I really enjoy how simple and reliable they feel in everyday cooking. I like how West Bend focuses on practical designs that make preparing meals easier and more comfortable in the kitchen. Finding the best West Bend air fryer can feel hard when there are so many sizes, features, and price points to compare. The best West Bend air fryer gives you quick cooking, crisp results, and simple controls that work well for busy homes in the USA. I have spent time looking at how West Bend models handle everyday meals, frozen snacks, and family dinners, so I can share both the good points and small drawbacks. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. West Bend AFWB 26BK13 Air Fryer Oven. The West Bend AFWB 26BK13 Air Fryer Oven feels like a strong option for large families or anyone who cooks bigger meals at home. I liked how the extra capacity gives enough room for pizza, chicken, or multiple side dishes without feeling cramped. The large cooking space makes it easier to prepare meals for gatherings, game nights, or holiday snacks. I also found the 24 cooking presets helpful because they cover everything from toast and wings to rotisserie and dehydrating. The wide heat range gives more flexibility, with temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees for crisp textures and fast cooking. Number 4. West Bend AFWB 10BK13 Air Fryer Oven. The West Bend AFWB 10BK13 Air Fryer Oven stands out for anyone who likes cooking two foods at the same time. I found the dual basket design helpful when making fries in one side and chicken in the other without mixing flavors. The dual zone cook feature makes meal prep easier because both baskets can run at different temperatures and times. I also liked the view windows since they let you check food without opening the baskets too often. The sync finish mode helps both sides finish cooking together, which is useful for busy family dinners. The 10-quart size feels roomy enough for larger portions while still fitting on most kitchen counters. Its 1,600-watt power gives fast heating and good crisping for frozen snacks or fresh foods. The only downside is that the larger body may take up more counter space than smaller air fryers. Number 3. West Bend AFWB 37BK13 Air Fryer Oven. The West Bend AFWB 37BK13 Air Fryer Oven feels like a smart pick for small kitchens or quick daily meals. I found the size works well for 1 or 2 people, especially when making fries, chicken, or simple snacks without heating a full oven. The Quick Air Crisp feature helps food turn crispy with fast hot air circulation, which is useful for busy evenings. I also like the 6 preset options because they make cooking easier when you do not want to guess time or temperature. The diamond shield coating stands out since food releases easily and cleanup takes less effort after cooking. The adjustable temperature range from 100 to 400 degrees gives you more control for different foods. The 30-minute timer keeps things simple and works well for short cooking sessions. It may feel small for larger families, but it is a practical choice for everyday use in compact spaces. Number 2. West Bend AFWB 15BK13 Air Fryer Oven. The West Bend AFWB 15BK13 Air Fryer Oven gives you more cooking space while keeping controls simple and easy to understand. The Easy View door makes it simple to check food without opening the oven, which helps keep heat inside. The wide temp range gives you flexibility from low dehydrating heat to high crisping power for roasted foods. It fits nicely in many kitchens across the USA where countertop ovens are popular for fast meals. The only downside is that 1000 watts may cook a bit slower than stronger air fryer ovens. Number 1. West Bend AFWB 12BK13 Air Fryer Oven. The West Bend AFWB 12BK13 Air Fryer Oven feels like a good fit for busy kitchens that need quick meals without much effort. The fast air crisping helps food turn golden and crispy, especially fries and chicken, while using far less oil than deep frying. The large meal space makes it easier to prepare meals for small gatherings or game nights at home. The digital presets are simple to use. It does take up some counter space, but the extra cooking room makes that trade-off feel worth it. Final verdict. If I had to pick one model as the best overall choice, the West Bend AFWB 12BK13 air fryer oven stands out for its balance of size, cooking power, and everyday versatility. It gives you enough room for family meals, useful presets, and strong crisping performance without feeling too bulky for most kitchens. The mix of rotisserie, reheating, and dehydrating features makes it a reliable all-around option for daily cooking. For a larger cooking setup, the West Bend AFWB 15BK13 air fryer oven is a great pick if you want more presets, extra accessories, and a roomy interior for bigger meals. It works especially well for families who cook several foods at once. Check the description links for current prices and more details, then pick the one that fits your style and need best.